I'm going to show you how to enter simple formulas to add and subtract numbers. This column shows what the formula looks like, and in this column I'll actually type the formula and you can see the results. This formula right here uses the plus sign to add two numbers. This formula uses the sum function to add three numbers. Notice how the numbers are separated by commas. This formula uses the sum function to add a range of numbers, E7 to G7. And I'll go ahead and use the mouse to select the range. This formula uses the minus sign to subtract one number from another. This formula uses the sum function to add two numbers and to subtract a third that are all contained in cells over here. And I'll use the mouse to select the cells. And I'll enter a minus sign before I select G7. You may be wondering, where's the subtract function? Well, there is no subtract function. The subtract function, if it existed, could work on two numbers. But what if you had 3 or 4 or more numbers? At this point, what exactly is being subtracted from what? There is no subtract function, and there probably never will be a subtract function in Excel. Finally, I'll use this formula and the sum function to add and subtract numbers from each other. I'll start with 2, subtract 5 by using the minus sign, add 8, add 4, subtract 10, again using the minus sign, and I'll subtract 6.